Are you looking for premium inclusions to add to your dream home? Then don't go anywhere. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Simone TV, and today I'm going to give you my top 5 premium inclusions to add to your brand new home. Okay, so the first one is underfloor heating. Now this is a great one because I know we're in winter right now and it is extremely cold, so how great would it be to have underfloor heating? Now, when it comes to underfloor heating, there are 2 methods to install underfloor heating. One is electric and one is gas. Now just quickly touching on that, gas is a lot cheaper to run, but a lot more expensive to install, and the opposite with electrical is a lot more dearer to run, but cheaper to install. So obviously if you're going to have things like solar power, so then that'll definitely come into a place with that. So that's my first one, is underfloor heating. Number 2 is an inbuilt coffee machine. So it depends on how you're going to set up your kitchen, and if you do want to have coffee machine, you may drink a lot of coffee. Having an inbuilt coffee machine is a way to also have good practicality for your coffee, but adds a great visual effect for your kitchen. You can set it up in a 4-pack, so you can have maybe a coffee machine and a steam oven, and maybe even 2 normal ovens underneath that. So that's definitely a good way to bring up the look of your kitchen. Number 3 is ducted vacuum. Ducted vacuum is very personal because some people like to have ducted vacuum and some people don't. But the advantages of having a ducted vacuum system is all you need to do is just bring one hose around with you and you have an awesome power instead of going to have to buy vacuums later on. Number 4, guys, is a smart home. So this is the ones that everyone's talking about lately, and how is the best way to do it. Now, with a smart home, there are entry-level smart homes that can be built on and added on to later as go. So don't think that you have to go fully automated, fully voice activated right from the beginning. You can definitely just set your home up so that it's compatible to be added on to as time goes on. Definitely whatever the technology is going these days, I would definitely say get onto that if you're building a home now. As long as you have it preset and wired, a lot of this stuff can be done after, but it's going to be a lot more convenient if you get it ready to go right from the beginning. Alright, my last premium inclusion, now I'm sorry if you have a single story, but this is for a double story house only, is a mono string staircase. Now if you don't know what a mono string staircase is, it is an open tread and open riser staircase, and generally constructed with a steel spine in the middle. So there are my 5 premium inclusions. I'm just going to wrap them up quickly for you right now. Underfloor heating, ducted vacuum, inbuilt coffee machine, smart home, and a mono string staircase. So if you know anyone who wants to find out some premium inclusions, tag them in the comments below so they can see them as well too. Otherwise, I'll see you on the next episode of Simone TV. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.